feeling straight. You feel like a what? I feel like a milli. The way that you what? The way that I rock. The way that you rock. You feel like a what? The way that I rock. I feel like a milli. I feel like a rock. Cause they wanna feel me. I'm making these brains like all in the Philly. I get the bitch wet. I'm slapping silly. Slapping my money. Go right to the ceiling. Shot for shot. His back.
I'm getting ready to go to the opener car meet, and I'm hoping that this car meet's actually going to have some crazy whips right away. The RB in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully this one's actually a sick one. I'm pretty sure last year when I went to it, it was sick. I'm hopefully going to try to get this guy to pull over a little bit so I can get some clips of him. So let's see if we can get him to do that. That'd be cool. Oh, no. Damn it. Hopefully he's at the car meet because I would love to get a quick little video of that. I was hoping to get him to pull up on side of me there. I'm gonna cut the meet at the car wash because I'm meeting up with Buddy with the RS7, so that's gonna be cool. So let's go ahead and check this car meet out.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
Yo, this thing's actually crazy though.
That's nice.
This is beautiful. Oh, here we go. Look at all the fucking smoke. That's gonna be sick. I don't know what's going on here. This is kind of crazy. This shit is kind of good. Just going straight hectic at this point. Holy shit. Got a yellow R8. Let's check this out. The gated manual too. Hell yeah. One day, someday. Ultimate sleeper car. If you don't know, these things are inline 5-cylinder turbo. They're basically a mini R8. I mean, quite literally. Next to the R8, actually. If you put a big turbo on one of those, you can actually run like stupid power. It's actually kind of insane how much power you can run on those. The chromes on this actually stand out so much. Check out the Beamer right behind me. Hell yeah, dude.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Speaking slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I get gas, think I'm low.
This thing is absolutely insane.
I appreciate it.
Because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say. Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. All this confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day. That's for you to take.
Talk later. Now I do apologize in beforehand that if this video seemed like there wasn't much commentary, I will probably do a voiceover on some parts of it, or I might just leave it as pure video as you guys can enjoy the cars as themselves. The channel, as you can see throughout the other videos, if you guys have a look at my channel, the whole premise of this channel is what it's like to be a car guy and owning an S5, V8 S5 that is. If you guys like the car scene here, check it out, stick around because we got more coming. That RS5, dude, that was probably by far the coolest thing I seen at that show today, and we might be having a little like drive with the boys. So right now we have two S5s, we have a RS7, we have a RS5, we have a RS3. Dude, holy shit. One of my buddies is going to come up with a S4. I'm going to see if we can arrange something so all of us can get some crazy footage. I'm probably going to get the drone out too when that time comes. So that's just going to be an insane lineup, boys. I'm just saying, that's going to be gnarly. And of course, I decided to come up to the top of the casino. Dude, look at the view. Yo, oh, dude, insane, hype as fuck. There was just a cop following me for like 20 minutes. Come in here, turn this down. We're gonna get some fucking crazy thumbnail type shit right now, dude. Car scene in fucking Canada, dude. Fucking on fire right now. What a view this is. This is actually insane. Let me fucking crop this up a little bit. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Look at that. Dude, this view is always insane. I should extend this out a bit more often when I'm talking, because that is so much better for the camera. Wow. Anyways, if you guys just enjoy this kind of car content, I do repairs throughout the videos and whatnot, and I record everything, what it's like to be a guy that owns an Audi and just survives. So if you guys like this kind of content, I don't really have more for this video. This was just going to be this car meet. Since I never took any videos of the car, we'll take a quick little... Dude, I love this thing. This thing is so sweet. I love the sound. I don't think I really have anything... Dude, like the view up here is just insane overall. Like, what a spot to record an outro. I don't think I really have anything else for the rest of this video, so I might just do a little B-roll of the car, and you know, it's just cars. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, if you like cars, this is where it's at. I think out of all the cars that were there, my favorite ones were definitely that RS5. I don't think anything beat that for me. That RS5 just blew me out of the water. The RS7's sick too. I like that car. I think it needs to be lowered a little bit. He watches my videos, but I mean, to be fair, you can't really lower that much unless you're putting it on bags. So I mean, other than that, that thing is a unit. Obviously, for some reason, a lot of my favorite cars are going to be Audi because, well, personal preference. Sorry, but definitely comment down below which car in this video was your favorite car, and hopefully we can get some more footage of them when next time I'm out and they're out. Let me know in the comments if there's a car that you would like to see on the channel at some point, and hopefully we can get a little bit more people interested so I can do more stuff for people like you at home watching this kind of video. So if you guys like this, subscribe, like, comment, I don't fucking know, just enjoy the video. Forgot to mention also the monster truck was there, like giving out monsters at 7 p.m. and I was debating on taking one, but I didn't want to be up till like 4 o'clock in the morning, so I didn't take one. So be proud of me.